At Manik's patented ModulArt Inplant Office, experience a one-of-a-kind Inplant Office solution, specially designed for factories and warehouses. Say goodbye to the conventional, messy methods of carpentry, POP work, civil work, and painting. Experience the clean, efficient, and hassle-free solutions. We offer features like quick and hassle-free setup, concealed ducting and wiring for easy upkeep, flexible office layout that adapts to your needs. Customize your office space effortlessly. No mess during installation. Swift assembly without compromise, and sound-absorbing panels for a tranquil workspace. Our Inplant Office comes with ready-to-install, fully furnished materials. We provide high-quality fire-retardant metal panels, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. On the inside, we offer elegant wooden and glass panels that enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space. For those looking to add a touch of sophistication, we also provide decorative panels designed to elevate the look of any office environment. Our innovative design includes space-saving, concealed sliding doors for enhanced functionality. We provide swing doors equipped with top brand hardware for smooth and effortless functioning. Load-bearing walls with support accessories like tables, kitchen tops, glass shelves, overhead cabinets, and for making versatile workstation partitions as well. Our dry ModulArt washrooms feature HD HMR boards with a tile finish for high durability, complete with top brand sanitary fittings. Key features are that there is no civil work required and detachable panels for easy maintenance, hidden piping and drainage for a clean office environment, simplified repair process as simple as remove, repair and reinstall. Add-on feature is its acoustic design, designed to mitigate noise from high decibel machinery, ensuring optimal working conditions. One of the main advantages of Manik's ModulArt Inplant Office is the snap-fit partition walls, making maintenance easy. As you can see, a single person can remove and fit the panels using a vacuum gripper. You can see here all the installed utilities, including ACs, smoke detectors, and sprinklers, seamlessly integrated into the system. And remember, it is completely a dry installation process. Contact us today at www.manikindia.com.